Welcome guys! Today's video on the top 5 best wood chipper shredders 2023. The best chipper shredder in 2023. Even though keeping up a yard might be tough, it becomes even more difficult if you don't have a reliable means to dispose of the garbage you produced from it. Numerous households are forced to do the tiresome process of gathering leaves and twigs into bags or bins, and cutting branches into manageable bits for disposal. But utilizing a wood chipper is a far superior method. Branches, twigs, and leaves are chopped up into smaller pieces using a wood chipper, which can be used in a variety of ways. You may use it as an attractive ground cover for pathways or landscaping, a mulch rich in nutrients for your garden beds, or as kindling for your wood stove or fire pit. Unfortunately, selecting a wood chipper from the wide range of choices available on the market may be difficult in and of itself. We searched the market for the top wood chippers in a range of categories to make the process simpler for you and put up a thorough buyer's guide, so you can pick the one that best suits your requirements. If you need more information about wood chipper shredder, follow the description link. Number 5. Earthwise Electric Chipper with Collection Bin. Product details. The advantages of adding compost to the soil are well known to all gardeners. By boosting the amount of water, air, and nutrients reaching the plant roots, it enhances plant development. Compostable materials are there and waiting all around the yard, but they need first to be shredded. For gardeners who wish to begin composting, the Earthwise Electric Chipper is ideal. A 10.5-gallon collecting bin is included with the chipper to hold the shredded material until it is transported to the compost bin or pile. Use the tamper tool to easily add leaves and twigs to the hopper for quicker feeding. The hopper hole is broader than on other models. The reduction rate is just 10:1, leaving bigger bits of wood and leaves that might not be appealing as mulch, but are still useful for composting. Because the chipper is not very strong, follow the description link to get more information. Number 4. Sun Joe 15-amp Silent Wood Chipper. Product details. This Sun Joe electric silent wood chipper shredder is incredibly compact and powered with the simplicity of an electrical hookup. It is also quite powerful and silent. To create mulch for your backyard garden, the self-feeding action chops up leaves and grinds up tiny branches and twigs. I've used this chipper the previous 3 fall seasons to chop up my backyard's leaves and put them in the compost pile. Our home test result informed us it operates safely, soundly, and effectively. Leaves are reduced to the ideal size for composting at a 21:1 reduction ratio. The collecting container is just big enough to keep things going along without being too big to lift and move about. Assembly is necessary, but the directions are very straightforward. Follow the description link to get more information. Number 3. Wen 15-amp Rolling Electric Wood Chipper Shredder. Product details. The Wen Rolling Electric Wood Chipper and Shredder is the perfect choice if you like to move a wood chipper about the yard, rather than concentrating the trash pile in one place. With 2 sturdy 6-inch wheels and an ergonomic pull handle, the machine is simple to move into small spaces. Of course, you require a long, outside extension cord that has received all approval. The machine can handle branches up to 1.5 inches in diameter and is surprisingly strong for a little electric chipper. In the collecting bag, the 2 7-inch blades result in a 17:1 reduction ratio. This product, which comes with a 2-year guarantee, is suitable for smaller yards. Follow the description link to get more information. Number 2. Sun Joe CJ601E Electric Wood Chipper. Product details. The Sun Joe 14-amp electric wood chipper is a great addition to the garden shed for urban gardeners who wish to make mulch. It quickly converts 16 bags of yard trash into 1 bag of mulch due to its compact size and simplicity of use. Our at-home tester concurred, saying the Sun Joe electric wood chipper is a fantastic partner for modest cleanup activities because it can break down both twigs and leaves. But she continued, you'll definitely be better with a machine fitted with a bigger chute if you're looking for a device that can manage some real volume and branches. The chipper is prepared to use after a brief setup and connecting to an electrical outlet. It can take 1.5-inch long branches and twigs, but you must gently feed them into the top hopper using the included paddle. The size of the wood that is produced is ideal for use as mulch around plants and shrubs. Although leaves also feed fast, they do not shred extremely finely. This model is unable to accomplish the desired effect, which is for them to practically vanish. Follow the description link to get more information. Number 1. Great Circlusa Heavy-Duty Wood Chipper Shredder. Product details. Falling branches are typical when you have many trees in your yard. Clearing up yard waste is simple with the Great Circlusa Heavy-Duty Wood Chipper Shredder. This multi-purpose machine which is our best overall option. Has a 7 horsepower HP engine to handle branches, leaves, limbs, and chips up to 3 inches in diameter, with a 15:1 reduction rate. This chipper shredder can turn 15 bags of yard trash into 1 bag of mulch. As a precaution, avoid using this product on new greens, vines, pine cones, or palm fronds. This wood chipper shredder has attachments for a leaf blower and can be towed across bigger yards by a lawnmower, ATV, or other vehicles for increased convenience. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe our channel.